we're going to divide polynomial by a monomial. Okay, now we've talked about what a monomial is. What's a monomial again? What's the three parts?
A number.
Okay, a number, a variable, and then we multiply them together, a number times a variable. Okay, so if you're looking at this today, every part, if you start looking down through here, everything we're dividing by is a monomial. Okay, same thing over here. Everything we divide by is a monomial. We're going to divide this by what's called a polynomial. Poly just means many parts. Many. Okay? So we're going to take something with lots of parts, and we're going to divide it by something with one part. Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? All right. So what you're going to do when you do see something like this is we're going to take this x, or number 1, okay, and we're going to divide all of the parts by x. Okay, so when you have something with lots of parts divided by one thing, you're going to divide every section by that one thing. In this case, we're going to divide everything by x. Now, at this point, guys, this is a review of division rules. I'm not really teaching you all that new stuff today, okay? All you're doing is taking whatever's there, the monomial out back, and we're going to divide by each section, and we're going to clean up each individual section. All right, so when I look at x cubed divided by x, what do we get there? X squared, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. All right, x squared, and because there are more x's on top, it's x squared stays up on top. Okay, so it's just subtraction. Okay, again, this is review today. Okay, so now go to here. What do we get on this guy, Quentin? Can you put your orange away and write down what we're doing? Yeah. There we go. All right, so I like his. It's a plus 2 and an x. Okay, so we've got 2 there. 2 minus 1. So when we're just reducing our x's, 2 minus 1 is 1x left on top because we have more on top. Okay? All right, and then what do you think happens here on this last guy? Okay, it cancels, so what's our answer?
1.
1, that's right. Keep in mind, guys, there's always 1s in front. 1 divided by 1, even if the x is canceled, which I agree, but 1 divided by 1 is still 1.
And it would stay negative.
Yeah, you always, guys, on these, just drop the sign down. I mean, it's just a plus and a minus. For the most part, you're just dropping the signs in. Okay? All right, does anybody have a question on that one? So this is your final answer. Does anybody have a question on that? No? Okay, let's take a look at number 4. So let's move to number 4. Pencil bud. I'm going to take that in homework. Okay, so number 4. So again, we're going to divide 2m squared by all parts. Okay, 2m squared by all parts. Now something I did last period to help some people is we kind of just drew it and sectioned it off and it helped them see each part better. It's up to you. Okay, so if I look here at this first section, Emma, what are you going to get here?
2, it would just be 2.
That's right, good. 2 because the m's cancel out. M squared and n squared cancel. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? All right, that middle section. So I put a plus sign. Okay, middle section. What do we think here, Caitlin?
4m.
Okay, not 4. What's 6 divided by 2? You don't subtract the front numbers.
3.
Okay, so it's 3. Now, where is the m going to be left over at, top or bottom?
Bottom.
You have more on the bottom, right? Yeah. So it's going to be 3 and the m left on the bottom. Okay, so 3 divided by 2, or sorry, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then again, you're subtracting. It's just we have more on the bottom, so our leftovers stay on the bottom. All right, last section here. Diana, what do you think on this?
4. Yeah. Minus 4. M. And then M on the bottom.
Just one m?
Yes. No. I don't know.
Well, what does it say? What is this? What's this say right here?
M squared.
Were there any other m's to do anything with it?
No.
So it just stays m squared.
Okay.
Okay, so it's 4, and then you'll put m squared on the bottom. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. M squared goes on the bottom, because there's no other m's anywhere else. So this would be your answer in this case. Okay? Alright. You go ahead and let's do number 7 on your own, right now. Number 7 on your own.